Get started with your Tribest Greenstar 5 juicer. Juice your way to better health with quality cold-pressed juice. Let's get started. Slide and push the twin gear housing onto the main body. Align the red dots on the twin gears. The single dot on the freewheel gear should be between the two dots on the drive gear. Now slide the gears into the twin gear housing. You may need to rotate the gears slightly while pushing them in until they come to a full stop. Then slide the screen over the twin gears. Next, slide the outlet casing over the screen. Close each latch over the outlet casing and push back on the metal tabs to snap the latches shut. Then slide the knob into the upper slot of the pulp outlet and turn clockwise to screw it on. Place the safety hood over the feeding chute and gently push down until it snaps into place. Lastly, place the glass pitcher on top of the drip tray. Now you are ready to begin juicing. Feed the produce into the chute, alternating between different types of produce. If you ever notice the produce backing up into the chute, simply loosen the knob. Keep in mind, it is normal for a few drops of juice to come out of the pulp outlet when first starting juicing. The wooden plunger is a useful tool when needing to press produce all the way down to the gears. The twin gears of the Greenstar produce a dry pulp and maximum juice extraction. Experience the highest quality juice and superior taste in every cup from the tried and true Greenstar juicing system from Tribest.